Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to fix ISP blocking service error 202 on a Samsung TV. First, you try power recycling your router and Samsung TV. Unplug your modem and router for power from 2 to 5 minutes. Turn off your Samsung TV and unplug it as well, then wait about 4 to 5 minutes. Plug the router back in and let it fully boot. Then plug in and turn the TV back on. Reconnect your TV to Wi-Fi. This slow reboot clears network syncing issues. Also, you can try connecting with an Ethernet cable. Plug the Ethernet cable from the router to your TV and turn on the TV and rest and test any app. Also, you can change DNS settings because sometimes the TV gets stuck using blocked or incorrect DNS. Press Home on your remote, then go to Settings, Connections, then Network. Select Network Status, then IP Settings and choose DNS Settings, then enter manually. Enter 4/8 and use the 8.8.4.4, then save and exit. Then try opening YouTube, Netflix or any app again to test. Also, you can try performing a manual software update on your TV and try if this solves the problem.